Hello programmers, back to another problem solving video, and in this video I will discuss about the unknown problem which is age in days. So let's open this problem. So here it basically says given a number n corresponding to a person's age in days, that means this number is to number of days. Print his age in years, months, and days, followed by its respective message years, months, and days. And you can find this same problem on Big Route online jars, and this is the same problem you can find here also. So how can I solve this? And here it says, note, consider the whole year has 365 and 365 days or 30 days, sorry, and 30 days per month, and this is fixed because sometimes the total days can be 366 because leap year stuff. So let's solve this problem. Age in days. Copy the question name. Create a file using this name .cpp. Perfect. So how can you solve this problem? Okay, what is the template? Okay, I found this. Fine. So how can I solve this problem? Hey, so for example, for the first test case, it gives me 400. This is the total number of days. Okay, this is the total number of days. So if you divide 400, sorry, modulo 400 with, sorry, I have to at first go to the interpreter for Java on JavaScript. You can also use Python. So for 400, if I divide this number with 365, because 365 days means a year, so can easily get 35. Okay, 35 means what? Didn't get any number yet. So if I just not module, actually just divide this, what I get 1 point something. And you already understand what it means. It means that I already found the number of years. It basically 1 year. Okay, so after that you have to uh, use this number as the input. So 35, and 35 means what? 35 means a month and 5 days. 30 means a month and 5 means a day. So what I have to do next? Just 35 modulo 10, and it returns me the day, the rest of the day. So I just solve this way. So int total days, seen right shift total days. After that, what I have to do? I have to just take use three variables for store the years, months, and days. So integer y, m, and d. After that, y will be total days divided by total days divided by 365, because you already see if we divide the number with 65, then I can easily get the number of years. So in the variable y I can get the number of years. After that, what I have to do? Have to just um, uh, use modulo operator to get the number of days left. Okay, so left days means total days modulo uh, equal 365. This returns me the rest of the days, which is 35 in this case. So after that, just write m is equal to total days divided by 30. It returns what? It returns you with the number of months. So basically, if you divide 35 with 10, it returns you 3.5, which means sorry, am I did anything wrong? uh, okay, here it returns me 3.5. So not actually. So I just did a mistake. I just divided with 10, but not 10 actually, I have to divide it with 30. Okay, then I can get the number of months as the output. So just use it. Okay, so after that what I have to do, I have to just calculate the rest of the days left. Okay, so I already calculate the number of years, number of months, and I have to calculate the number of days left. So how can I do this? Using this modulo operator. Okay, in for the first one, I just calculate the number of months, number of days left for calculating the months, and in this case, I can again calculate total number of days requires to calculate the uh, days actually. So I can easily write this like this. For example, d is equal to total days modulo 30. Okay, after that, just print the variables. So cout then y years and line m months and d days. Okay, this is my output. So copy the first test case, build the program age in days, run it 400. So I can get 1 years, 1 month and 5 days, but I have no space here, so just give a space for each of them, and I can just submit it now. So browse age in days, and submit. And this is the easy problem. Yeah, you have to just understand how modulo operator works. So this one is accepted, and see you in the next one, which is interval. Till then, bye bye.